all, welcome to SimpleMadeSimple.com. Now we are going to see the Rule 6 of degrees of comparison. When we compare things or objects or people, the adjectives change in form. These forms are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. When we compare only 2 objects or persons, it comes under the comparative degree. And when we compare an object or a person with more than 2 objects, it comes under the superlative category. So before going into Rule 6, we'll have a quick recap from Rule 1 to Rule 5. So Rule number 1 is for one-syllable words like kind, smart, which makes a single sound when pronounced. For those words, you should add ER to form the comparative and EST to form the superlative. Rule number 2 is when the positive ends in E. Large, L-A-R-G-E. Form the comparative by adding R, larger, and ST to form the superlative, large, larger, and largest. Rule number 3, when the word ends with Y, happy. You should cut out the Y and you should add I instead. I-E-R, happy, happier, and happiest to form the superlative. Rule number 4, when the positive is a one-syllable word, as in big, B-I-G, which has a vowel I, which is followed by a consonant, G. You should double the consonant, B-I-G-G, and you should add ER to form the comparative, and EST to form the superlative, big, bigger, and biggest. Rule number 5 is for words with more than 2 syllables. You should add more and most. More for comparative, beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Rule number 6 is for irregular comparison. These adjectives are compared irregularly. The comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. First word is good. You cannot say good, gooder, or goodest. Instead, you should say good, better, and best. You are good in English. You are better in English than math. You are the best in English. Bad, worse, and worst. This shirt is bad. This shirt is worse than that. This shirt is the worst of all. Little, less, and least. The little girl went to school. I have less money than you. I have the least number of chocolates. Much, more, and most. How much do you love me? I love you more than you think. I love you the most. Far, farther, and farthest. My house is far. Your house is farther than I thought. This is the farthest point I can reach. Many, more, and most. I have many questions. I want more fish than rice. You have the most attractive smile. So that's it with rule number 6. Check in my other videos for more rules on degrees of comparison. And do check out my website simpleMadeSimple.com for more grammar topics. Thank you.